Hi, my entrepreneur friends of the China ASEAN Marketplace. My heartiest wishes to all of you, and I hope that you excel well in this subversive era. I'm Dr. Justin Ma, Executive Chairman of Enterprise Innovation Center of Singapore. Now today, I want to exchange some ideas with you on innovation for enterprises. Because I recall in 1995, when I first championed for innovation among SMEs, and my response received from those SMEs operators were like seeing a dinosaur. And they all yell out and say, oh, innovation is confined to big companies, conglomerates like Hewlett Packard. The time there was Apple was not so familiar among them. So they try to resist because people are not comfortable with change. But change is inevitable because it always happens with whether you like it or not. That's why in this subversive era, the whole ecosystem is fast changing, which renders our business model to be out of date sooner than you expect, thereby shortening the life cycle of our products and the life cycle of our company. So how do we counter these challenges arising from the subversive era? We actually need two main things: the business model and the leverage. Why business model? Because what you have been doing becomes out of date due to the fast changing paradigm. Why we cannot satisfy each and every of these changes. What we really need is to address the main issue. The main issue is the changing demand of people. People who, in the process, are our customers. Who are our customers in process? People who govern us, including the government and the authorities, and our investors, shareholders, our employees, and most importantly, the one who give us the business. So in process, whoever brings benefit to the company is actually our customer. And as the saying goes, customer is God. So customer is king. So we need to submit to the king. But how do we do it? By creating value to them. Because if you compete by value proposition, it's not suicidal. Instead, if you compete by pricing, it becomes suicidal. Therefore, innovation actually helps you to create value. For instance, branding. All right? If you merely invest in A&P, advertising and promotion, and creativity, and create a brand, and the brand does not have the value add, all right? It's just a kind of passing fever. It can fizzle out quite quickly. Take Coca-Cola for example. It is a one product company that have the most valuable brand value in the world. It was not merely built up by advertising or promotion alone. Other factors like the innovative content of the product, the R&D, and also their SQ standard, consistency, all these actually build up the branding instead of by A&P alone. So today, what we are trying to say is innovation actually helps you to create value. So at EIC, what we do is to integrate business in innovation and technology innovation. By integrating these two, we actually give you the business model and the leverage. Leverage comes in two main sources. One, platform. Platform like the China ASEAN market, all right, and the Commonwealth market, or the trade association, or a group on the e-commerce platform. All right, there are various platforms there. So these people offer you the big data mass population where you can create the leverage. Another source of leverage is actually your capital mechanism. How do you raise fund? How do you utilize fund? How do you use the fund to create this market value of the company. So that at different stages of development, you can plan out your financial roadmap to build up the market value of the company. Only with good market value, the company can sustain and scale up. And that is the main purpose of what EIC can work together with you. Thank you.